Good morning, welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Friday, TGIF. For some people, like my wife Robin, this was a short week. And many students, kids, were out of school this week, especially in the Yuba Sutter area. So, the last couple of days, I took some mental health days. I needed to. Okay? So, tonight, I'll be back in the kitchen, actually preparing what I was supposed to prepare a couple nights ago, the city chicken smashed potatoes, or all gratin potatoes, blah, blah, blah. So I'll be doing that for tonight. Being Friday morning, I finalized my menu for next week and my shopping list for Sunday. So let me tell you what I got going on for next week. On Sunday, I'll be doing my chili, my version. And then in no order, I'll be doing a bourbon steak tips. Actually, it's going to be elk with smashed potatoes, and I'll figure out a veggie. Cheesy taco puffs, chicken enchilada suiza, Italian drunken noodles, and Dan Mancini's real tomato soup with grilled cheese. I'll be doing the soup, the tomato soup, and grilled cheese as a video segment for the young person's portion series that I'm putting together. I'm also going to be doing, sometime in the next week, a gadget / kitchen tools that you should have in your kitchen starting out, if not at all times. So I'll be putting that together here in the next few days. So, and that's going to be part of the young people series as well. Okay? So, have a great Friday, eat great food, and have fun cooking.